Hi, today we'll be seeing the second project of blinking alternate LEDs. In continuation of first lecture, we are going to see how to blink alternate LED. So I have gone with the Proteus component mode, pick the device, the keywords. I'm typing AT89C51, the microcontroller, selecting the first one, double clicking, and then this time I am using a LED bar graph. So LED bar graph, you can see here LED bar graph green. I am selecting this and I am closing this. I am selecting this AT89C51 and I am clicking here on the workplace and I am placing it here. And I am selecting this LED bar graph and I am placing it closer to port 2. If I want to make any movement here and maximize, this is how I do. For your clear observability, I am making this movement. Now making the connections. If anything goes wrong, press Ctrl Z. So for port 2, I have connected all the LEDs of bar graph. That means 8 LEDs. There are 10 LEDs in the bar graph. I have connected 8 LEDs of it with port 2, 8 pins. Now I will be going to terminals mode. I will be selecting the ground. I will be placing here ground. And I will be connecting the other terminals for the ground. So 8 LEDs, other end is connected to the ground. This is hardware connection. Now I am opening Keel, going for project, close project, then again project, new UVision project. I am going for desktop projects. In the LED, I am giving alternate LED as the project name and save it. Asking for the target device AT89C51 is the first one. I am selecting it. Okay. It asks for a startup creation. We need to say no. You can see in the left side the project name is created with alternate LED and target device is created. Now go for file, new, and we need to save this file with .c extension, desktop projects LED. The name is alternate LED dot C extension. .c extension is compulsory while saving. Save it. Now right click, add existing files to group, select this alternate led.c, add, close. Now this header file and delay function is common for every project. Now I am going with main function, void main, while one for infinite loop execution we are using while loop. Now in the while loop again port 2 is connected with the LED bar, so I am taking P2. Here P should be capital, P2 equal to 0x. So we need to have alternate LEDs blinking. So for that purpose I am using 0x55, and I am giving delay of 1 second. 1000 is 1 second. The next again P2 equal to 0x AA, and I am giving a delay value of 1000. So this is the program for alternate LED. Now what I have made here is port 2 with 0x55. After 1 second delay, port 2 is becoming 0x AA. If 55 is equivalent to 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So 5 is represented with 0, 1, 0, 1, and 5 is represented with 0, 1, 0, 1. And similarly, if AA is there, A is represented in hexadecimal as 10, 10, 10, 10. You can see here after 1 second the LED which is 0, previously it is becoming 1, and the LED which is 1, it is becoming 0. So that is why I have used port 2 0x55 and port 2 0xAA. So alternatively LEDs are owning and off. You can see 0, 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. Alternatively the LEDs are blinking. Now I need to go for options for target. Give this frequency as 11.0592. Use on chip ROM. Go for the output. Create X file. OK, and then project build target. You can see 0 errors, 0 warnings. Now I am going for Proteus. I am double clicking on this controller, then setting this clock frequency 11 11.0592, and coming to the program file, if I click this folder and go for the objects, where you can find this is desktop, projects, LED, go for objects. You can see two hex files. Just now we have created hex file for alternate LED. Selecting this, open, OK, and then play. You can see alternate LEDs blinking with every 1 second delay. On, off, on, off. So this is how alternate LEDs are blinked. Thank you.